Hello besties, welcome back to my page. Hope you guys are doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily do your mini twist with Brazilian wool. So these are the only tools we need. We need your Brazilian wool, normal Brazilian wool guys, not Brazilian wool attachment. And then you need something that will enable you to do the coils. So I'm making use of 15 inches. If you want a longer length, then you should extend your own measurement. If you want a shorter length, then you need to adjust the length to make it shorter. So after cutting it, I went ahead to cut 10 pieces of the hole, then get my stove and start to twist the Brazilian wool around my stove. Okay, you can use anything to achieve this process, whether it's broom, whether it's rolling stick or whatever. So kindly just twist and roll the wool or the yarn on whatever thing you choose to use. Then when I get it, because Brazilian wool doesn't have that shape like normal attachment, so I use my band. I use band. You can use your bobby pin to clip it. Then when I'm done, I will repeat the same thing with the other side by twisting, and then you roll. Just try to twist it and roll it. You should get something like that if you actually got it the right way. If this is first time you're coming by my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so once I upload new tutorial videos you get notified. In this channel I do hair tutorial videos, hair decoration videos, making videos, how to do your own hair yourself, hair hack, simple hair hack that will save you some bucks, and everything concerning hair. So at the end, this is what I have. So I'm just going to use these few pieces to show you guys what to do. Then I added some conditioner on a bowl with the wools, and then I applied hot water on it. Allow it to soak for a time, maybe less than a minute is okay, but just allow it to soak the water a little bit before you then pick it out. You can air dry it a little bit, but not too dry. Just air dry it a little bit, or just place it under the sun for some set minutes. And then when I'm done, this is me using the band for us to get the what we need to do our mini twist. So I'll go ahead and lose it. Then you guys will see the result at the end. So guys, if you watch, do you gain values from my tutorial videos? I will use this opportunity to give this video a like. If you have any question, you are always free to let me know in the comment section. So when you lose the coils, so go ahead and separate it this way. You can use it one, you can use it two, depending on the size or twist you want. If I'm doing a micro twist, a nano twist, or a mini twist, okay, just loosen it like this. Remember, you can also use these coils to achieve your boho braids. If you want to do boho braids with Brazilian wool, this is what all you have to do to achieve your boho braids. So this is me showing you guys the look at the dummy. Like I said, these coils can be used to do your mini twists, just like when you're using your kinky hair to do mini twists. You can use it to do your boho braids. You can use it to do your crochet hair. So this is me. I tried it out on my hair. You can see the results. So this is simply the process you need to take to use your Brazilian wool, turn it to kinky, and use it to do your mini or micro twists. If you don't know how to do your micro twist, watch my video. I uploaded a video. Check the last two videos. you see how to use your either your kinky or your Brazilian wool using this process to do your mini twist. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in my next upload. Bye. Please do not forget to like, do not forget to share to family and friends. If you have any question, please make use of the comment section.